The Ivbmir magnetic auto-tracking tripod uses a strong magnetic aluminum mount that grips MagSafe phones securely while still letting you snap the phone on and off quickly. Its clever automatic opening design lets the legs deploy with a single press, so you can go from packed to filming in seconds with one hand. Built-in artificial intelligence face tracking smoothly follows your movements with full 360-degree rotation, and simple hand gestures let you start or pause tracking without touching the phone. A rechargeable remote adds real convenience by handling camera shutter, video recording, and even basic app controls, which is especially helpful when filming alone. The tripod extends to a generous 71 inches, yet folds down to a compact 14 inches, and the aluminum alloy build with a reinforced metal joint keeps it stable for serious shooting. A standard 1/4 inch mount makes it compatible with many cameras and lights, so it works as a flexible base for both smartphone creators and more advanced video setups.